right, let's dive right in. We all take showers, right? It's just part of the day. But how often do you ever really think about that routine? Well, today, we're going to look at how new tech and smart design are completely transforming that simple, everyday experience, turning it from something you just do into something pretty magnificent. So, first things first, let's talk about the problem. It's that tiny, unpredictable moment of chaos that happens in pretty much every shower. And honestly, it's something most of us have just kind of accepted as normal. I mean, you know what I'm talking about, right? That little hesitation before you step in? That split second where you're just hoping the water's okay, but you're kind of bracing for the worst? It's a little game of temperature roulette we play every single day. And it's a surprisingly universal feeling. And this quote it absolutely nails it. 1 second, you're enjoying the warm water, trying to wake up, and the next, bam, a shock to the system. It's that total lack of control that can turn what's supposed to be a relaxing moment into a genuinely stressful one. But what if you could take all that guesswork, all that unpredictability, completely out of the equation? Well, that's where we get to the good stuff. Let's pivot from the problem to the solution and talk about the AITANA Luxury Smart Shower System. So what exactly is the AITANA? The source material calls it a masterpiece of design and engineering, which is a pretty bold statement. But look, we're talking about way more than just a fancy new shower head. The real goal here is to create an intelligent, super responsive, and deeply relaxing sanctuary right in your own bathroom. So how does it actually fix that number one problem, those wild temperature swings? Well, the answer is all in the core technology. Let's get into how the AITANA system delivers that perfect temperature every single time. You know, the real beauty of this whole thing is how simple it is for you, the user. It's just 3 steps. You pick your perfect temperature, the tech inside locks it in, and then you get that instant confirmation on the LED display. But behind the scenes, there's some serious magic happening. Unlike a normal shower that just kind of mixes hot and cold water, this thing has an active valve. It's constantly measuring and micro-adjusting the flow. So even if someone flushes a toilet somewhere else in the house, your temperature stays rock solid. It completely gets rid of that frantic temperature dance we all. And that level of precision, that is the real game changer. Just imagine setting your shower to a perfect 38 degrees Celsius and just knowing it's going to stay there. No dips, no spikes. That's the core promise here. Pure, uninterrupted comfort. No more surprises. Of course, it's not all about the tech, right? A truly great experience is also about how things look and feel, the whole aesthetic. So let's look at the materials and the design, because that's what really sets this system apart. And you can really see the difference here. It's like night and day. On one side, you've got your standard fixtures, that plated plastic that feels light and can start peeling or corroding over time. But on the other side, the AITANA is made from solid brass. It has that satisfying weight to it. You can feel the quality, and it's built to last. That gun gray finish isn't just paint either. It's a super durable coating that gives it this modern, really premium feel. Okay, so we have perfect temperature control and top-notch materials. But how does that all come together to change the actual experience? Well, it's all about creating that spa-like feeling and totally transforming the space itself. And this is where the design just elevates everything. By putting the shower head on the ceiling, you get 2 huge benefits. First, you get this incredible, immersive, gentle rainfall sensation that covers your whole body. It's amazing. And second, the minimalist design gets rid of clutter on your walls, which makes the whole bathroom feel cleaner, bigger, more like your own personal retreat. So when you put it all together, the smart tech, the premium materials, the thoughtful design, it becomes pretty clear we're not just talking about plumbing anymore. This is really about investing in your daily well-being. It's part of that bigger trend of bringing smart, helpful technology into our most personal spaces. All right, let's just boil it all down. What are the key things to remember here? First, you get unwavering comfort and real anti-scalding safety. Second, the modern space-saving design just plain elevates your bathroom. And finally, when you add it all up, it's really an investment in a better, more relaxing start and end to your day. And that really just leaves us with one final thought, one final question for you to ponder. After seeing how a daily ritual can be transformed from an unpredictable chore into a guaranteed moment of comfort and luxury, you've got to ask yourself, isn't it time to redefine your daily routine?